What you're about to see shouldn't exist. 12 million years ago, there was a predator in our oceans so terrifying that even the Megalodon avoided its territory. Scientists found its skull in 2010, buried in the Peruvian desert, and when they measured its teeth, they were 14 inches long, longer than any animal that has ever lived on this planet. I put it back in today's ocean, and nothing was ready. Meet Livyatan melvillei, named after the biblical sea monster Livyatan, and Herman Melville, the man who wrote Moby Dick. Because scientists looked at this skull and thought, this is what Moby Dick actually was, here's what made Livyatan different from every predator before or after it. Modern sperm whales, their lower jaw has teeth, upper jaw completely empty. Livyatan had functional teeth in both jaws. That means it didn't swallow prey whole like sperm whales do today. It bit through them. At 57 feet long, the same size as a school bus, it weighed an estimated 50 tons. And, according to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Vertebrate Paleontology, its skull alone measured nearly 10 feet. For context, that's bigger than most cars. But size wasn't even its most dangerous feature. When I ran the simulation, I placed one Livyatan into the modern North Atlantic. First interaction, a pod of humpback whales, 40 feet each, 30 tons. The Livyatan didn't hesitate. See, humpbacks are slow. They're filter feeders. They never evolved to escape a macro predator because for 10,000 years, nothing like this has existed. The simulation showed a chase lasting under 90 seconds. But here's the part that shocked me. According to fossil records analyzed by paleontologist Olivier Lambert at the Royal Belgian Institute of Natural Sciences, Livyatan's preferred prey in its own time was juvenile baleen whales. It actively targeted animals its own size. That's not predator behavior, that's dominance. In today's ocean, blue whales, fin whales, sperm whales, none of them have the behavioral programming to recognize this threat. They've never had to. By week 2 of the simulation, the ripple effect had already started. Humpback whale pods began abandoning feeding grounds near the surface, the exact grounds where krill populations explode every summer. Without humpbacks grazing, krill density doubled. That attracted more fish. More fish attracted more sharks. The food web destabilized. And that's the real horror of Livyatan. It's not just a predator, it's a keystone disruptor. A 2022 paper in Nature showed that when a single apex predator is removed from an ocean ecosystem, the cascade effect can alter species populations for decades. Now, imagine adding one. The simulation crashed by week 6, not because the Livyatan died, but because the model couldn't process the number of behavioral changes happening simultaneously across 14 species. Livyatan melvillei went extinct approximately 9 million years ago. Scientists still don't fully know why. Some believe the ocean cooled. Others think its prey, the giant baleen whales, evolved to be faster. But one thing the fossil record is clear on. For 3 million years, nothing in the ocean challenged it. Not once. Drop a comment. Which ocean predator should I simulate next?